लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। तो दोस्तों मेहनत करते रहिए। हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल SSC MANIA. Our main ambition is to turn aspirants' problem into solution. The purpose of this channel is to create awareness about various competitive exams. The channel is created to help government job aspirants to achieve their goals. You will get all free video lectures, previous year paper compilations and cutoffs. We are here to let you know the difference between a mediocre and topper's approach in the examination. So let's talk about us. We are native of Haryana. I have qualified SSC CHSL 2019, SSC CPO 2020. Guys, my medical is expected to be in March. I have qualified SSC Phase 7. I have attempted CTET paper 1 and 2, DDC clerical post. And my sister, who is preparing for stenographer exam, she has qualified her 2019 exam and 2020 pre. She is also preparing for Allahabad High Court. So important information regarding videos. We're gonna provide you crisp content and various and the strategy for various exams and any exam related update that comes, and the future vacancies which are released on the government portal will be provided to you over here. So guys, we will upload our next video on Sunday, so stay tuned till then, and the video will be uploaded on SSC CGL strategy for 2 months, because our next target is SSC CGL. So guys, let's prepare together. Thank you for watching. Drop your comments down below for your further queries and details. And guys, you can subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.